Hello, good morning. Today we discuss the Joule-Thomson effect and deduce an expression for Joule-Thomson cooling produced in van der Waals gas. So, according to Joule-Thomson effect, here we write according to Joule-Thomson effect. When a gas escape through a porous plug under large pressure difference, it undergoes change in temperature. Large pressure difference, it undergoes change in temperature. ठीक है, okay. Suppose 1 mole of a real gas in cylinder A. This is the cylinder A and this is the cylinder B. This is the cylinder B and this is cylinder B. Cylinder B. This is the cylinder A, this is the cylinder B. Here dotted lines K and this is A, B, C and D. Cylinder A is allowed to expand through a porous plug. Suppose initial pressure and volume P1 and V1. Final pressure and volume of the gas here P2, V2 in cylinder B. Suppose during this process temperature change from T1 say T2 during Joule-Thomson effect. Hence gas will have to do some external and as well as internal work done. During this the gas work done in some internal as well as external work done. Suppose the cylinder A and B are separated to each other by a this porous plug K. Suppose the two cylinders provided a frictionless piston C and D. This is the C and D frictionless piston. Then the external work done on the gas is P1 V1 and external work done by the gas P2 V2. So the net external work done by the gas equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1. So in overcoming the force of molecular attractions, some internal work done is also by the gas in van der Waals equation. So in van der Waals gas attractive force between molecules of the gas of the gas are equivalent to the internal pressure, equivalent to the internal pressure is A by V square, where A is constant, where this A is constant. During expression of 1 mole of the gas, the internal work done, so the internal work done, that is equal to V1 to P dV, or this can be written as V1 V2 A by V square dV. So the total work done by the gas, now the total work done by the gas equal to external work done minus internal work. So that is equal to W equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 plus A V1 minus A by V2. But we knew that the van der Waal expressions is P plus A by V square into V minus B equal to RT, as this is the equation 1, as A by B upon V square is very small, very small, then so that A by B barabar equal to 0, then here we find that A PV equal to RT plus PB minus, from this equation we find PV plus A by V minus PB minus AB by V square equal to RT, as A by V upon V square is a very small quantity. Then here we find PV equal to RT plus PB minus A by V. This is equal to 0. So from equation number 2, from equation 1 and 2, we find here the W equal to P1, and this is P2, this is V1 and V2. So from this we consider here P1 V1 and P2 V2 is equal to R and T2 plus PB minus A by V square. This is 1 1 1. Similarly, the total work done here written as from this, putting these equations, this is equation written as W equal to R V2 plus P2B minus A by V square minus R T1 T1 plus P1B minus A by V square E by V1 plus A by V1 minus A by V2. So from this we find W, taken R and R common, to T2 minus T1 plus B, P2 minus P1 plus 2A upon V1 minus 2A upon V2. Here A and B, ठीक है, as A and B is very small, then from this equation we written here PV equal to A is very small, B is very small, so PV is equal to RT and V equal to RT upon V, PV equal to RT and V is equal to RT upon P. So this is similarly PV equal to RT upon P. This is the V1, P1, T1, T2. This is equation 3rd. From this we find here work done, W बराबर है minus, by putting these values, R T1 minus T2 minus B T1 minus T2 plus 2AP1 upon RT1 minus 2AP2 upon RT2. T1, if T1 and T2 nearly equal, T, so T2 बराबर है T1 बराबर T, then T1 minus T2 equal to dt, so W बराबर है T1 minus T2 R dt minus B P1 minus P2 2A upon RT into P1 minus P2. From this P1 minus P2 कॉमन लेते हैं तो हमारे पास आता है 2A upon RT minus B minus R dt B. Since the gas is thermally insulated, hence energy required to this work drawn. Hence here the temperature of the gas dt, if CV is specific heat of the gas at constant volume, then the work done equal to CV dt. This is our work done and this is our work done. This is the equation number 4 and 5. From equation 4 and 5, CV dt equal to P1 minus P2 2A upon RT minus B minus R dt. So this is the dt, taking common dt, CV plus R equal to P1 minus P2 2A minus B upon RT. Okay. We know that CP minus CV is equal to R, so CV plus R equal to Cp. So this can be written as dTCp equal to P1 minus P2 2A upon RT 2A upon RT minus B. As the falling in temperature, so CD falling in temperature dt is equal to Cp. In special cases, here, if P2 is less than P1, or we can say P1 minus P2 positive quantity, ठीक है, hence dt will be positive, hence dt will be positive, that is equal to 2A upon RT minus B is positive, okay, and 2A upon RT is greater than P, or T is greater than less than A 2B upon RB. So the initial temperature of the gas is less than 2A upon RB. In case 2, if 2A upon RT minus B equal to 0, then dt equal to 0. There will be no change in the temperature. Number 3, if 2A upon RT minus B equal to negative, then dt is also negative, hence 2A upon RT is less than B, or T is greater than 2A upon RB, or we can say T is less than Ti. In short, we can say that the initial temperature more than the inverse temperature, that is the inversion temperature. Okay, and thank you.